Oomph! And over it goes. Mike trying to dig us out. Back up.
You can help, Gene.
No way, not with my shoulder and back. That's our epic snow. Back to you later. Which way am I supposed to sleep? Okay, I've got my arms raised as high as they will go. And I can't see anything. It's my neighbor's house, but it's below me. There's the plow guy. I can barely see him. There goes my fence. He's gonna take it out, I know it. You gonna go outside? Here he comes, Mike.
Hi, Frank. Okay.
Nope. I need to get a better shot of that. Oh, are you going to go out now? Go see what Mike's doing. See, you're scaring him with the shovel. Making a lot of noise. What do you think, Fry?
Come on, Frank. Frank, come on.
Well, you have to keep going. He doesn't trust you. You gotta go open the door. Tater's coming. Here comes Tater. Go on, Tater. Go see. See, where's Mike going? Fry's like, I'm a house cat. It's Tater now. See, open the door, Tater. Come on. Oh, here's, dang it. Go see. Oh, here he comes. Nope, he's a house cat. Okay, shut the door. See if they'll follow you out. You better go open the door first. Okay.
Yeah, there's a good place. Come on, Frank.
I can hold it up. Yeah. He's thinking about it. Come on, Tater. Here he comes. Slowly. Here he goes. Maybe. Come on, Fry. You can do it. Because am I stupid? Oh, there you go. Here comes Tater. There he goes. You go, Tater. You big. I know you. It's windy. There she goes. This is all they can do is go out to the garage. It's their big day. She's just cautious. She's the scaredy cat. I see you. I'm right here. I'm not going with you. I'm going back in. It is dumping. Here she comes. She's not going to do it. No way, she says. Okay, bye.